Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix duplicated income transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've noticed the same income transaction showing up more than once in your records, don't worry. In this walkthrough, we'll go into QuickBooks Online, open the account register, find the duplicate entry, and remove it. As you follow along, make sure you're deleting only the extra transaction and not the original one, since removing the wrong entry can affect your books. To begin, go to QuickBooks Online and sign into your account so you're on the main homepage. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Settings option. This is where you can access key account tools and lists used to manage your company file. Click Settings, and from there select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the area where all your business accounts are organized, including bank accounts and other accounts where income transactions may appear. Opening this section helps you get to the register where the duplicate transaction is stored. When the Chart of Accounts page opens, locate the account you want to review. In this example, you'll use the sample account shown on screen. On that account, click View, Register. This opens the detailed list of transactions for that account, allowing you to review individual entries more closely. Now take a moment to look through the register and identify the duplicated income transaction. You may want to compare the date, amount, payment details, or reference information to confirm that two entries are truly duplicates. This step is important because some transactions can look similar at first glance, especially if multiple payments were recorded around the same time. Once you've found the duplicate, double-click the duplicated transaction to open it. This gives you access to the transaction details and lets you make changes. After opening the transaction, click Delete to remove the extra entry. Be careful here and make sure you are deleting the duplicated transaction only. If you're ever unsure, pause and verify the details before confirming the deletion. That extra review can help prevent mistakes and keep your income records accurate. After the duplicate is deleted, your register should reflect the corrected transaction list. This can help keep your reports cleaner and ensure your income totals are not overstated. That's it. You've successfully reviewed the register, located a duplicated income transaction, and deleted the extra entry in QuickBooks Online.